How to fix Windows 11 search bar keeps loading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 search bar keeps loading. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step one, that is to restart Windows Search. So here, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. And now here, once the Task Manager opens, simply scroll down and right-click on the Windows Explorer. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply click on Restart and it may fix the issue. And with that, moving forward to the step two, that is to run search and indexing troubleshooter. So here simply press Windows plus I to open the settings, and now here once you are inside the settings you simply have to look at the left hand side and there you simply have to click on system. And now here, once you are inside the system, then you simply have to scroll down and there you simply have to click on troubleshoot. And now here in this section, you simply have to click on other troubleshooters. And now here in this section, you simply have to find search and indexing option, or you can even find program compatibility troubleshooter. And here, once you found it, simply click on run. And after that, simply follow the on-screen instructions to solve the issue. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to restart Windows Search Service. So here simply press Windows plus R, and there once you type on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply click on the box and there simply type services.msc and simply click on OK. And after that, a pop-up window will appear. In that section, you simply have to scroll down to the Windows search. And here, once you have found it, you simply have to right click on it. And after that, you simply have to click on the restart and there make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to rebuild the search index. So here you can simply press Windows plus S and there you can simply type indexing option. And now here once you search for it, simply click on the indexing options to open it, and there you can simply click on advanced and there you can simply click on rebuild. And here this may take some time, but it fixes corrupted search indexes. And there, with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check for Windows Update. So here you can simply press Windows.I and there you can simply check for the Windows Update by clicking on Windows Update at the top right, and there you can simply click on check for updates, and there if you find any updates for your laptop or Windows, then you simply have to install all pending updates and restart it again, and it may fix the issue. And by following these steps, it should fix the search bar loading issue in Windows 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.